Are you looking for the perfect motorcycle helmet? Discover must have incredible options that combine style, safety, and comfort. From lightweight designs to advanced technology, these helmets ensure a smooth ride while keeping you protected on every adventure. Number 10. FAVOTO Motorcycle Full Face Helmet. For those seeking dependable headgear, this full face helmet is designed with safety and comfort in mind. Built with a tough ABS outer shell and a high-density EPS liner, it offers riders exceptional protection and meets DOT safety standards. At just 2.76 pounds, its lightweight build ensures minimal strain during long journeys, particularly around the neck and shoulders. Ventilation is thoughtfully designed, featuring adjustable slits on the front, top, and back for a cooler, quieter ride. The interior is lined with soft, breathable fabric that conforms to the wearer's shape and can be easily removed for cleaning. With multiple sizes available, both men and women can find the perfect fit, ensuring comfort and protection on every ride. A quick-release buckle enhances convenience, making it easy to wear and remove. Number 9. ILM Motorcycle Full Face Helmet. An incredible choice for motorcyclists, this full-face helmet meets both DOT and ECE safety standards, ensuring enhanced impact protection. Its lightweight ABS shell and EPS foam combination offers strength without added bulk. Designed for optimal airflow, large top and rear vents provide excellent ventilation, allowing riders to adjust air circulation easily. The dual visor feature adapts to changing light conditions, with an outer visor for clarity and an inner visor that blocks harmful UV rays. A pop-up visor lock adds extra security. Additionally, a dual-layer chin pad helps minimize wind noise, and the removable 3D cotton lining ensures comfort with a custom fit. This helmet is perfect for various riding activities, including motocross and street biking. Number 8. FREEDCONN Motorcycle Bluetooth Helmet. Notable for its advanced features, this modular helmet meets DOT's safety requirements while providing a maximum intercom range of 1,640 feet for seamless communication between two riders or pairing with three. Equipped with Bluetooth 3.0 technology, it allows stable streaming of music, GPS directions, and intercom functions, enhancing the riding experience. The dual visor feature adapts to changing light conditions, with an outer visor for clarity and an inner visor that blocks harmful UV rays. A pop-up visor lock adds extra security. Additionally, a dual-layer chin pad helps minimize wind noise, and the removable 3D cotton lining ensures comfort with a custom fit. This helmet is perfect for various riding activities, including motocross and street biking. Number 7. BEON Open Face Motorcycle Helmet. This open-face helmet is a must-have for motorcycle enthusiasts, meeting DOT standards for safety. Made from advanced thermoplastic material, it features a high-density EPS liner for excellent impact absorption and comfort. The quick-release buckle allows for easy adjustments even with gloves on, and the inner lining is removable for washing. Its clear, anti-scratch outer visor protects the eyes, while a retractable inner sun visor offers UV protection. Designed for various riding styles, including scooters and cruisers, it provides a retro aesthetic and added face coverage at high speeds. Perfect for daily commutes or leisurely rides, this helmet combines safety and style for all riders. Number 6. ONE Storm Motorcycle Full Face Helmet. Safety is key for motorcyclists, and this helmet meets DOT standards while providing comfort. Its lightweight thermoplastic shell ensures durability and an aerodynamic shape. Riders can switch between full and open face styles for versatility. The interior is well cushioned for a pleasant fit, and the padding is removable for easy cleaning. Additionally, the helmet includes a detachable visor and front mask, allowing customization based on weather conditions. This option combines style and function, making it a must-have for any motorcycle enthusiast seeking a reliable and fashionable headgear choice. Number 5. Shoei Neotec 3. A helmet that combines advanced features with comfort is essential for any rider. This model incorporates innovative flip-up technology, offering a sleek design and top-notch comfort. It's crafted for riders who prioritize safety and style. Its shell structure ensures durability, while the ventilation system keeps the visor fog-free. The impact-absorbing liner provides extra protection, and at just over 4 pounds, it feels lightweight and comfortable for long rides. Certified to meet rigorous safety standards, this helmet delivers both performance and reliability, making it a top contender for motorcyclists. Number 4. SCORPIONEXO T520 NAMASUSHI Motorcycle Helmet. Next level safety and comfort are key when choosing a helmet. This model offers both, with its lightweight yet strong shell and a fit designed for long rides or daily commutes. Its aerodynamic shape reduces wind drag, and the built-in air system allows for easy adjustments. With shatter-resistant shields, anti-fog features, and sun visors, visibility is ensured in various conditions. The efficient ventilation keeps riders cool or warm as needed. Designed for Bluetooth compatibility and other communication systems, this helmet also supports comfort with its moisture-wicking liner and easy integration with glasses. It's a must-have for any serious motorcyclist. Number 3. ILM Adult Motorcycle Helmet. A helmet designed for motorcyclists offers outstanding protection while riding. It meets DOT safety standards and features a durable shell and EPS liner for excellent impact defense. Its modular design allows riders to flip up the front for easy access to hydration or phone calls. Enhanced ventilation promotes airflow, helping reduce fogging and maintain clarity. Equipped with dual visors, it offers options to shield against sunlight and ensure visibility. The quick-release buckle makes it simple to wear and remove, while removable liners provide comfort and freshness for each journey. Additionally, it has speaker pockets for a communication system and is compatible with eyewear, ensuring a comfortable fit for those who wear glasses. This helmet combines safety, convenience, and comfort, making it an essential choice for motorcycle enthusiasts. Number 2. Bell MX-9 Adventure MIPS Motorcycle Helmet. An essential part of every rider's gear is a helmet that balances safety, comfort, and adaptability. Designed with advanced technology, this helmet enhances protection using features like rotational impact reduction for off-road adventures. Its adjustable visor allows for versatility in riding conditions, providing full face coverage or a more open feel. The advanced ventilation system also ensures proper airflow to keep you cool during long rides. A removable, washable liner offers a customizable fit, maintaining comfort and hygiene. Riders can enjoy peace of mind with reliable protection and a personalized fit. This helmet is a must-have for anyone serious about safety and performance, meeting crucial safety standards for peace of mind. Number 1. Shoei X15 MARQUEZ DAZZLE. For those seeking the perfect blend of style and protection, this helmet is a standout choice. Inspired by a dynamic racing legend, it combines top-level safety features with advanced aerodynamics. The eye-catching design ensures you won't go unnoticed on the road or track. With its durable shell construction and efficient ventilation system that prevents fogging, riders can enjoy a comfortable experience. Weighing under 4 pounds, it is lightweight, making it suitable for extended use. Certified to meet strict safety standards, this helmet is a must-have for motorcyclists looking for both performance and style. That's all for this video.